Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kajela. Ubak Preston Tensong haka arpu atrik unai wing arajar arpuwe. Ulak Kyntait war baka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kababat ulakam sensyar hapo kini Kajela. Kala Pynlut Phut syabapalan kat hadu ba kala penter khong ya ka platengka jong Sorkar. Haka baidi baka jing dawa jong ka New Trap Youth Council. Bala dan kam bantung ya ka jing toket balak luoj halor ka jing hiran pisah ka Sorkar. Ubak Preston haji keren bagila pathai kubor roy thu baka kai Phut ajing khen ka basisian chisnam balalum da office accountant general laju pen pau ka yeng dor bar thau an sisian ha chisnam namar kata kani ka kai Phut kalong ka walabyang pura.
Annual report of AG is always late on the table of the house. It is always there, all the details, even 1 rupee is reflected over there. So that report is final. That report is is complete. So whatever amount we spend, be it centrally sponsored scheme, be it the state scheme, everything is reflected in the final report, not given by us, not from the accounts of the from the directorate of the state government. It is done by the AG office and then by the chief controller of accounts from Delhi. This is the system where we are doing. Right from day one of our statehood, the system is already in place. We are doing it till today, and we make sure that unnecessary expenditure is avoided. You see, the problem here is you need to understand one thing, especially during our term, from 2020 till today, we have pandemic. And how many months we have to close down all the activities. And then this one, it is not necessary. I think if you compare, it does not mean only government does not have fun, but even the household themselves, they don't have money. Why they don't have money? Is it because of mismanagement? No, it's because of the pandemic. And this crisis happens not only in Meghalaya, it happens throughout India and throughout the world. Yeah, if that is the case, let them come out specifically about which central scheme are we lacking in implementing. Come out, because as I said to you right now, if you talk about this NRGA, we are the best performing state now, the best performing state throughout India. And you talk about JJM, we are doing well. And you talk about PMGSY, construction of road, we are doing more than what the central government expected also. So therefore, I think let them come out with specific central scheme. Which one are they planning to say? Which one are they saying? Because we really wanted to know exactly. If we know that, we can ultimately black and white produce before that.